Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover how to download and install Eclipse. So open any browser and type download Eclipse and hit enter. Then you can see eclipse.org. Eclipse download the Eclipse foundation. We will click on it and we will scroll down and then we will click on the download x86 underscore 64 as 64 is our laptop configuration. Then we click on download and download will start. So now we will click on the downloaded file. Now Eclipse installer will open and have to wait for some second. Then it will launch a window with Java. Yeah, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Now we will click on install and we have to wait at least 1 minute or more than that, and then we have to click on launch. Then Eclipse IDE will launch the latest one, and let's wait. Now we have to browse the location where we want, or you want to use the same. You can click on launch, but I am creating a new workspace in the document folder, creating new folder for Eclipse workspace, and I will click on the new selected folder which I will select as I am creating new one. So this same location will pop up in the Eclipse IDE launcher, and then we click on launch. Then the Eclipse IDE will launch and we can start work on it. Okay, so it launched. So let's see how it works. Yeah, so this is the workspace and we are closing the welcome part. Now you can see. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like and do share my video, and if you have any question please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.